For multiple implant-supported long-span bridges, clinicians favor using multi-unit abutment because with multi-unit abutment, parallelism can be achieved very easily. Using multi-unit abutment is a standard protocol in all-on-X treatment, which is very popular in Europe, Asia, and US. Implants are placed in angle toward the most abundant bone quantity, and angle correction is done later on either with a straight or angled multi-unit abutment. The upper area of multi-unit abutment are cone shape, and its shape facilitates further angle correction. In general, screw retained bridge requires more precision and accuracy than cement retained restoration. While cement space from each abutment provide 30 to 70 micron, and they can provide forgiveness, screw retained prosthesis does not provide any space like that to compensate inaccuracy. The impression or the scan, either the physical or digital model, must be dead accurate. The restoration must be manufactured with precision, otherwise the bridge may fracture, implant may fail, or frequent screw loosening may occur. For this reason, long span screw retained prosthesis must not be fabricated using intraoral scanners. When I do all-on-X, I prefer to place more implants. I like all-on-6 to all-on-8. Compared to all-on-4, it's more difficult because I have to deal with more implants. For 8 implant supported screw retained bridge, the implant die model or digital scan must be accurate. Otherwise, the result would be detrimental. For successful fabrication of this kind of a bridge requires highest precision. Therefore, experienced clinicians prefer to do verification before proceeding to the next step. And typically, modelless workflow was not possible and full digital workflow was not done for this kind of extensive cases. With micro CT scan technology, things have changed. Connecting the scan body on multi-unit abutment is easiest thing to do. Taking accurate impression over the scan body is also easier thing to do. And our lab can simply scan the accurate impression and obtain the most accurate digital scan data. After CAD design of the bridge, we have 2 options. Provisional bridge can be tried in, and this trial bridge can also function as a verification jig. Clinician can evaluate the vertical dimension of occlusion, aesthetic and phonetic. After this verification stage, we can simply manufacture the definitive restoration. If you do not want to go through this provisional extra step, and if you're sure that your impression and bite registration are correct, then you can bypass this step and proceed directly to final delivery. I rarely skip this provisional step, but it can be done sometimes.